How to find news feed on MyFitnessPal app. Firstly, open the app. You can see here different options at below dashboard, diary, news feed. Click on the news feed here. You can see different the feeds of the people that they have uploaded to their account. In this way you can read the news feeds on MyFitnessPal app and spend time on it. Just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Thank you so much. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking and sharing, subscribing to our channel. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.